Here, how are you? I'm going to share with you something today regarding the Domino 500. Now the tip that I give you is an absolute game changer. I've been using these machines for 10 years and it's only today I worked out what my issue has been and how to fix it. And I was going to give Festool a massive serve because it was pissing me off, to put it bluntly, but now I realize they are ahead of the game. So it's regarding these knuckles. Now these knuckles are designed so when you come up beside the end of a board, you've got a positive stop. There's no measuring. Now that's fine, but the problem is when you are doing a whole lot of mortises with the Domino very close to each other, this will disappear down the inside of the mortise and it will tip the machine sideways, ever so slightly, but it will stuff you up and you won't have dead flat joints. You'll have a thing like that happening. I'm exaggerating, but you know what I mean. Now, here's the thing. Get yourself a very small Allen key, 2mm Allen key. And down here, you'll notice, if I can come in close enough and point with the Allen key, down here is the Allen key or the hex socket grub screw. Now, I always thought was the stop. So when you push this, there's a spring in behind, and so it can't come all the way out. Now that's true, it will do that. But did you know, I've done it to the other side, if you keep screwing this in, there is a hole inside the casting, and that now allows the grub screw to keep going through and holds that thing right out of the way. Happy days. It is so easy to get to. All you have to do is release this clamp here, raise it up, lock it, and then everything is super exposed. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and keep on coming back. Tell your friends, and happy woodworking. See you later.